What is up, guys, and welcome back to another TF2 video. But hold up, what's this weapon I'm holding? It's not your ordinary minigun you see in TF2. They say minigun, minigun. So anyways, we're playing as the Heavy in a game called TF2 Classic. It's still actually TF2, but it's a modded version of TF2. But it takes place like 2007, 2008, and hold on, let me see the sentry guns. Okay, the sentry guns work. There's a sentry guns back there. So anyways, we're using the anti-aircraft cannon and the sandwich and the chokehold front. I don't know pronounce that, but still. So we can't do long range. I was testing that out. Okay, this thing is really powerful, by the way. I got 2 kills already. I really like the aircraft. So yeah, I might do a regular Let's Play on TF2 Classic and get the experience, like, update. Get the capture. Get this. Oi. Alright, we got the stuff, but first let's see what's up. Oi! Someone save me! Help! Oh! Wait, this the Heavy plus fast recharge? Or it's probably... I think it's a civilian. Alright, this thing is really fucking powerful. Good thing I started the series with this because I would be trashing the other loadouts.
The enemy intelligence.
I forgot how good the aircraft is. I need this thing in the actual TF2, but... Oh wait, it will be, since I heard TF2 Classic will be on Steam, but I don't know when is that soon, but I really hope it will be next month during the summer update. Because I want to experience TF2 with my... TF2 Classic with my TF2 items, because that's what I heard. Like, TF2 will... You can play with your TF2 items on TF2 now.
We have dropped.
But I might try shotgun guns, so I can have like a way to kill freaking scout. But I still die. So you're gonna destroy the teleport. Yeah, he did. I'm gonna use the Santa's back.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Oh, hello, civilian. Alright, he's 51 health. Yes! Good shot, sniper. Finish that man off. I wonder if the Heavy's gonna have more weapons than the actual weapon Heavy in the TF2 game. But right now, seems like the aircraft is really fun. It's really fun. It's a fun cannon. I like shooting people with this thing. More rewarding than Natasha, at least. Oh,
Alert.
oh
The
yeah,
enemy has taken our
government has
intelligence.
leaked. Oh, burn blue spawn. On the spawn count, the spawn count.
We have dropped. The enemy has dropped. We have success. We have captured the enemy intelligence.
Maybe his spawn count is gonna be bad. Oh, looks like their intel is left
We have
unprotected.
taken the enemy intelligence.
Oi! Crap!
Enemy intelligence.
Hey, you taunting son of a
The enemy
bitch.
is-
Damage. Okay. What's with our 2 civilians going on there?
The enemy is secure.
Alright, Heavy down. Maybe this is a bad spot to eat your
We have
sandwich?
taken the enemy intelligence.
Oh, thank god the skunk is annoying me. Ignore me. Alright, Scout dead. But they're gonna cap. Spread those. Where's the enemy scout? Is there any intel? What are these 2 bozo doing? What are you doing? Alright, head soldier down. What is this the 2 weirdos doing?
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
So you can't really long range this. Cause it'll be too freaking powerful. Oh, they're dead. Those 2 weirdos are dead. We haven't get a kill with this, right? I don't think we haven't. Let's try getting a kill in this video. What are they doing?
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Those 2 weird civilians. Oh, we are not going in there. We're totally not there. Alright. Like scout is capping. Oh no, that's a soldier. He's gonna die. Oh, he's a trooper.
We have dropped the
He's
enemy
dead.
intelligence.
Let's start doing it. Come on, beat them.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Bam!
We have dropped
No,
the enemy
sniper!
intelligence. We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Alright, the bait, the captain, the intel's near the base. We can do this. Well, see. Crap! There was a. What's our medic doing? They're not healing me. Are you a spy? Okay, you're not. Fucking killing you.
We have taken the enemy.
Alright, go there, man. Move. That's engineer.
Success. We have
Cap.
captured the
You're
enemy
34 out
intelligence.
of what? 40? What's the total? I don't think there's no total. Oh. Crap! This scout, man, they're freaking annoying to attack. How many scouts they have? There was like 2 that come and then there's these 2 weird civilians. But oh. Alright, so the cannon can only shoot from that range, not a bit farther, like the rocket launcher.
We have alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Fucking get revenge, let's go!
We have dropped the enemy
Alright,
intelligence.
seal. Still have our sandwich, that's really nice. I don't know if that's like an instant reload for the sandwich, but I'm taking it.
The enemy has captured our intelligence.
Move machine up!
Alright.
Doctor! You're my good team.
What's the freaking medic going over there?
Good times.
We have taken the enemy intelligence. We have dropped the enemy intelligence. We have
Checking
taken
the
the
dots
enemy
and
intelligence.
turn. Okay, it's not here. Can't leave this.
Success. We have secured the enemy intelligence.
Freaking medic. Alright, get the soldier. Heavy incoming. Prepare to heal.
I am full of sandwich, and I am coming for you!
Okay, heavy is down. No wonder why he didn't show up. We got a demo! Bam! Okay, we got the pyro. No, wait, I think we got the scout. I don't know who we got. We got someone.
Alas, the enemy has dropped
Wait.
our intelligence.
Our cap, our intel. Someone in our intelligence? Freaking engineers are setting up there, I knew it. There's gotta be a bit of a problem. We have to find our way to stop those engines setting up. Hello! Go for it. I'm going soldier. Fuck are these?
That sniper is a spy! That sniper is a spy! Yes, sir!
Alert, the enemy has dropped our intelligence. Alert, the enemy has taken our intelligence.
What just happened? That bro, he lived too long. I'm surprised. Oh, spike trap. Ah, yes, the endangered spike trap finally showing up.
Sentry forward!
There's sentry. Fucking
The
get
enemy
him.
has taken our intelligence.
Oh wait, there's a sentry over there.
The enemy has dropped our
I was
intelligence.
hoping they would build above, but I don't think they are. I'll play soldier. Soldier on the other hand has like the RPG, but I'm not really good with that. So it might take a while for me to take the practice. Oh, they have a gunboat. Gunboats down, baby.
Alert. The enemy has dropped our alert.
Oh,
The
mouse
enemy
is
has
not
dropped
working.
our intelligence.
Hold on. Oh wait, there's the rocket. Okay, it's gonna be the problem. Wait, bro was there. Is this server turning friendly or? I don't know what's going on. I mean, is this like a friendly civilian? I think that we just found the highlight of a video, but
Thanks! They shall fall! I appreciate it, sir! Oh. Nice work!
okay.
Thanks, soldier!
Don't scare me. Crap. The pyro scared me. So there's no way we can get that sentry in this above. Oh my god, what is going on here? This is TF2 class. Oh my god, there's a fourth one. I didn't realize there's 4 of them now. Oh, there's a fifth. Oh god. I'm joining in. I'm joining in. This, I think this is the funnest thing. What the fuck is happening? Civilian 5. You can't beat them, join them.
My money after all!
Okay, I don't know a spot.
Medic!
Good thing with this, like, capture the flag can be a civilian.
Doctor!
You can beat them, join them.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Okay. Well, looks like I'm gonna end the videos here, guys. I felt like this video is too long already, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below, and comment more for TF2 classic videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, okay. Before I end the video,